testRigor does support BDD. However, BDD is a very broad term, and there is a little bit of misconception that BDD is Gherkin Cucumber, which is not true. BDD is a process which was designed by the authors of BDD to involve business owners into creating specifications which then would be used to write tests. In that sense, the testRigor is a pure BDD framework. Moreover, it makes BDD order of magnitude more efficient because business owners, sometimes with the help of QA and sometimes themselves, can write those specifications in English the way that is executable out of the box. So it actually would cut out the part where QA engineers would have to implement those specifications because the specifications themselves are executable. That's the point of testRigor, and because there is this difference with commonly used way of BDD, we call it SDD, Specification Driven Development, because your specifications are executable out of the box. So it's a flavor of BDD, so it technically is BDD. However, it emphasizes the fact that it's a two-step process, build specification and code, rather than three-step, build specification code and write QA implementations for those specifications.